run the risk of marginalizing these women further by the comments that the Prime Minister made the other day? Are we not ostracizing a small group of women for their religious beliefs?
Absolutely not. The Declaration of Citizenship is a public expression of wanting to be a Canadian citizen. And that public expression has to be consistent with Canadian values, including gender equity. And I think that's the point the Prime Minister has made. I think that is a fair and reasonable point, and I think that is a point that is shared by many and most Canadians. Oui. Alors, j'ai dit hier au sujet de ce fonction publique, bien sûr, si un individu peut faire le job pour le Canadien, ça c'est le critère. But I would say that my answer was in relation to a question that was asked of me about Justin Trudeau's comments. And let me repeat for you what I said yesterday, which is he is the one who is trying to divide Canadians. He is the one who is trying to say that that we should be engaged in this cultural debate, when in fact our position, I think, is very clear. Our position is, when it comes to the Declaration of Citizenship, all Canadians should stand equal and should, of course, adhere to the values of being Canadian, including gender equity.
The court said identity or security was the court said identity or security was not an issue, and that's why.
Well, we disagree, obviously.
But what's the difference? What's the difference between a
genre, l'égalité des genres devant la loi, devant la citoyenneté, les gender equity? Est-ce que ça devrait pas être aussi une valeur dans la fonction publique si ça l'est pour devenir citoyen?
C'est une valeur d'être citoyen du Canada, mais bien sûr, nous avons des obligations de traiter dans une façon équitable dans la fonction publique. Mais la question d'avoir la citoyenneté du Canada, ça c'est une autre question. Et quand j'ai dit hier, il est important dans la cérémonie de citoyenneté d'avoir une expression des valeurs canadiennes qui inclut bien sûr l'idée d'équité des femmes et des hommes.
Where do you draw the line? Like you allow niqab in the public.
Look, this is all this debate.
I just want to know, why do you allow, for instance, niqab for voting, but not for citizenship?
Look, Look, I think the expression of citizenship is the key issue here. And the expression of citizenship should be open, should be transparent, and should be consistent with the values of being Canadian, including gender equity. That is our point. And the fact that Justin Trudeau is trying to expand this issue, is trying to politicize this issue, is trying to make political hay on the issue, tells you a lot more about his character than about the character of the Prime Minister of Canada, Stephen Harper.
Just 5 minutes ago, we now have Tom Mulcair saying that the Prime Minister is singling out Muslims, being irresponsible in doing so, creating divisions. What do you say?
Look, I would say that we are making a point about the nature of Canadian citizenship. And it is unfortunate when leaders of the opposition are playing wedge politics on this issue. Our position is clear. It's principled. It's designed to treat every Canadian equally, to reaffirm the values of Canadian citizenship, which include gender equity. And that is, I think, a responsible, fair, and reasonable position, which is in accord with the great majority of the views of Canadians.
The cultural practice is the wearing of anti-woman.
Sorry? That is what the Prime Minister said, and that is a point of view that one can hold. But that doesn't mean that you can impose that view in the workplace or in the private sphere. The one place where I think we have a right and an obligation to stress Canadian values is in the act of obtaining one's citizenship. And that, I think, is consistent. That is consistent with how the public feels. It's consistent with a right reading of the law. And it's consistent with the Charter of Rights and Freedoms.
Est-ce qu'une enseignante ou une éducatrice en garderie pouvait porter une garde?
Alors, c'est pas ma place de répondre à chaque question spéculative, mais j'ai dit, il est clair que la loi est là et nous devons les citoyens pour la fonction publique qui va travailler fort pour les Canadiens, Canadiennes. Ça, c'est le criteria. J'ai dit une réponse. Any other questions? No other questions? Thank you.